Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're going to be making some chicken fried noodles. Stay tuned.
I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop.
So here guys, I have some chicken thighs that I've deboned and cut into small pieces, and I'm just going to lightly season this with my chicken seasoning. I've also added a little bit of garlic and onion powder. Now these are the rest of the ingredients that I'll be using. So those are the noodles, and I use egg noodles. Now I do like to use this particular mixed vegetable stir fry mix because it doesn't have bean sprouts in it, and I find that when I do stir fries with bean sprouts, it just makes it a little bit too wet. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, hey, but I do like to do this, to use that one. So now in a pan, I'm just going to use about a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Now I've got some minced ginger and garlic. I used 1 clove of garlic and just a little piece of ginger. Now once I've sauteed this for about a minute, I'm just going to go ahead now and add my chicken. Saute this for, I'd say, about 7 to 8 minutes until you're sure that the chicken is thoroughly cooked. If you're new to my channel guys, thank you so much for coming. You are really appreciated. If you're returning, thank you so much. And also, if you have not yet hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Now after about say 8 to 10 minutes, do please make sure your chicken is thoroughly cooked before you proceed to the next step, because the next step will go quick. Now I found that I had a little bit too much big pieces, so what I'm doing now is literally just using my spoon, and just trying to cut them a little bit. Now once I was sure that the chicken was done, I went in and added my stir fry mix. Now guys, I am not going to add any additional salt or anything because I did season the chicken, and seasoning of salt, we have to watch the salt, kind of blood pressure and ting, and yeah. Now once I added my veg, I'm going to go ahead now and cook my noodles. Now to boiling water, I'm just going to add my noodles. Now these noodles, they cook really quick, within about 3 minutes, and I do like to cover it, just to make sure it cook and cook, they're really quick guys, so just make sure that, and I just literally boil the kettle and use the hot water from there, because boil water take long enough. Now once everything is almost ready, I'm just going to go ahead now and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of my toasted sesame oil. Then I'm just going to go ahead now and add my cooked noodles. Gonna add my soya sauce. Now I am using a reduced salt soya sauce, as I said previously. I'm warning about the salt. Now you can add, depending on how dark you want your noodles, but add more soya sauce. But I think I added about 4 to 5 tablespoons. Now just mix all of that and just now once at this stage, just switch my my heat off and add in some freshly cut spring onions. Now I cook this on a medium heat throughout, and there you have it guys, my chicken fried noodles ready for you. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at Shell's Homestyle Kitchen. Thank you for watching my video guys, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video. Bye.